chain 32, slip stitch into the first chain, round 1, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 double crochet into the next chain, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 double crochet into the next chain, repeat, chain 3, skip 3, 1 double crochet into the next chain, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 3, slip stitch into the third chain, 1, 2, 3, here. Round 2, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 double crochet into the next double crochet stitch, chain 3, 1 double crochet into the next double crochet stitch, repeat, chain 3, 1 double crochet into the next double crochet stitch, chain 3, slip stitch into the third chain, 1, 2, 3, next round, repeat round 2.